Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for joining us for Cooking with the Count. You know, I've had many requests lately, emails and everything else, asking for quick meals. Everybody's looking for like one dish meals that they can throw together real quick. Well, this is an easy one and it's very tasty. We have rigatoni, onions, basil, parsley, garlic. I'm using a combination of chopped tomatoes. I've got some Firebrand, as well as regular. I've got tomato paste, sausage, and some beef broth. It's gonna make a delicious one. Well, it's gonna be a two-pot meal because I'm cooking rigatoni in a separate pot. Other than that, it's gonna be pretty fast and pretty easy. So join me at the stove. Let's get this going. All right, we have our water boiling. What does it say? I think it's 15 minutes for firm, 16 minutes for tender. So we'll time it for 15 minutes and we'll let them cook up. All right, we'll get these started too. Olive oil. A couple of tablespoons of that. Heat that up. And we'll throw our onions and garlic in there. They can have their party. We can get this started. We'll cook these up for a couple of minutes just to get the onions translucent. Let that garlic work its way around. And we'll start adding our ingredients. As you can see, this is not going to be a complicated recipe. Okay, our onions and garlic are looking pretty good. Go ahead and add our sausage. Cook that down until it's nice and brown and well cooked. And we'll add some more. Okay, as you can see, our sausage looks like it's pretty well browned up. And I've tried to break it up as much as I could. That's looking pretty good. Now let's go ahead and add some seasoning to it. Basil, parsley, and stock. And our tomatoes. See that? The meal's halfway done already. It's smelling good. Very good. Okay, I'm going to put about a half a teaspoon of pepper to get started. We can always add a little bit more if we need it. And about a teaspoon of salt. Like I said, we can always add, we can't subtract. Mix that up thoroughly. Pretty good. And our last but not least final item. Tomato paste. And we're going to blend all this together. And it's going to make a nice combination. And it should have a great flavor. Like I said, this is an easy one. You can even probably get the kids to do this one. Never be afraid to bring the kids into the kitchen. So with that, this is ready to go. We're just waiting on the noodles. added the noodles. Now those of you that insist on rinsing out your noodles, that's fine, you can do that. But save at least 1/4 cup of your pasta water to add to this in case it's too thick. That's why I don't bother rinsing mine. I think it's perfectly fine. As you can see, this is even a little bit thick now. I'm going to add just a little bit of pasta water to it. I've got 1/4 cup. Probably going to use 1/8 cup. Yeah. Oh, that looks nice. Put some nice cheese on there. And some basil. Nice fresh basil. We're going to have a meal to write home about. So with that, I'll plate this up. I'll meet you at the counter. Okay, so basically, I put this together faster than I could cook the rigatoni. That's how fast this meal is. But it really smells and looks delicious. I can't wait to try it. I want you to take a close-up of that. I would never be ashamed to serve that to my friends or family. So, like I said, I think it looks gosh darn good myself. And I can't wait to give it a try. Thank you for joining us with Cooking with the Count. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to us, like it, and share it. You know, if you make it and you like it, let me know. I love getting comments. With that, God bless you and good night. You're going to like this, and so will your family. God bless. Bon appetit. Good night.